Somewhere in your city, one person quietly builds a massive fortune. You would probably walk right past Alex without noticing him. In a crowded cafe, two adults statistically hold $1 million net worth. Yet, almost nobody can spot the quiet millionaire in public. Instead, your eyes are immediately drawn to Leo and his luxury. He wears designer labels and wants everyone to see his income. But looking rich is vastly different from actually building real wealth. One man performs success, while the other silently owns his freedom. The true physical test of wealth begins right in the parking lot. Here, Leo steps proudly out of his Leo's car. He pays $1,000 every month for that luxury leasing. That shiny vehicle is a guaranteed financial loss under heavy depreciation. 3 parking spaces over, Alex drives his trusted car. To an ordinary observer, his faded sedan screams that he is broke. In reality, driving that old car quietly funded his early retirement. Because Alex understands a simple rule: loud income is not wealth. Your income is merely the cash that flows in each month. Real wealth is what quietly stays, multiplying steadily over a lifetime. A person with massive earnings can easily have zero net wealth. He is constantly chasing the next public upgrade to impress peers. But the quiet player ignores the social performance of looking rich. His cheap car and faded paint are actually keys to freedom. He has shifted his primary focus from public applause to personal leverage. Look closely at their clothes and you will spot the difference. Today, Leo proudly wears massive logos to display his financial status. He craves constant external validation to feel completely secure and successful. But the genuinely wealthy refuse to act as a billboard for brands. His unlabeled cashmere sweater speaks of a deep and quiet confidence. Enter Chloe, an elegant woman wearing an alluring black silk dress. She immediately walks over to compliment Leo on his watch. He feels a sudden surge of pride from her public flattery. Meanwhile, Alex remains completely unbothered by the quiet social rejection. The very second their monthly salary hits, their paths diverge again. Before Alex ever sees his check, his money goes on autopilot. A predetermined slice flows directly into broad, boring market investments. He never misses the cash because he never gets the chance. In sharp contrast, Leo treats his paycheck as instant spending power. He immediately spends every single dollar on new luxury consumer goods. But behind the scenes, a dark shadow is quietly closing in. His paycheck is instantly devoured by high-interest credit card debt. He carries a heavy mental burden that the finance cannot hide. His flashy lifestyle has become a golden cage that owns him. Watch what happens when an expensive social opportunity enters the room. Chloe slides in to propose an elite, expensive weekend trip. She wants them to join her on a private island getaway. Leo instantly feels intense pressure to say yes to her offer. He swipes his card and falls deeper into lifestyle creep. But Alex calmly declines the costly invitation without any guilt. His simple refusal quietly funds a deep and invisible personal freedom. But a sudden corporate restructuring is about to test them both. Inside the sleek corporate office, a sudden announcement causes immediate panic. Leo stares at his screen with wide, terrified eyes and sweating forehead. Meanwhile, Alex sits at his desk looking completely relaxed and calm. The difference between them is a solid hidden emergency fund. A sudden crisis turns into a tragic financial disaster for Leo. But for Alex, this terrifying announcement is just a simple shrug. His cash cushion allows him to ignore the rising corporate anxiety. After a stressful day, Leo speeds away in his glossy Leo's car. He pulls into the driveway of a massive, ostentatious suburban mansion. His expensive monthly mortgage swallows nearly his entire corporate salary. Inside, several massive, cold rooms represent empty, useless lifestyle creep. Meanwhile, Alex drives his reliable car back home safely. He parks outside a modest, exceptionally charming 3-bedroom suburban house. Alex and Sophia laugh together in their warm, cozy home. Their smaller home let their savings quietly compound in the background. Later that week, the office team gathers at a high-end restaurant. Chloe starts asking the group about their recent performance bonuses. Leo loudly boasts about his expensive luxury watches and lavish trips. Alex sits quietly and says absolutely nothing about his own finances. He practices strategic silence to avoid unnecessary and toxic social comparison. Loudly discussing your money only invites unwanted resentment and judgment. Genuinely wealthy people let every financial conversation drift right past them. The next rainy morning, Alex walks into the local cafe. He wears a durable, high-quality sweater and handmade leather boots. He buys the good version once and keeps it for decades. This selective spending prevents the constant trap of cheap replacements. Leo constantly buys trendy, cheap clothes that quickly rip and tear. This frequent buying cycle shows how cheap turns expensive over time. He quietly spends vastly more money to end up with less. Alex carries his scuffed leather bag with a peaceful, confident smile. That durable, unbranded bag has survived over 15 years of use. Suddenly, an unexpected massive municipal tax bill lands in their mail. Leo reads the letter at his desk, his face turning pale. His minimal savings are sitting inside a traditional, dusty bank account. That large commercial bank pays an interest rate of basically zero. His hard-earned cash is slowly eaten alive by relentless inflation. Alex receives the exact same bill but remains completely unshaken. His emergency cash grows inside a modern high-yield savings account. His reserve cash quietly generated substantial interest while he slept peacefully. This simple automated system steadily widens the deep financial gap. The intense corporate restructuring finally reaches a sudden, dramatic crisis. The company director announces massive immediate layoffs across all departments. Leo instantly feels the cold, terrifying grip of his debt. He realizes his flashy lifestyle commitments now completely own his future. He cannot survive without this stressful paycheck for even 1 week. But Alex sits in the tense boardroom with absolute calm. His automated investments have bought him complete, priceless life flexibility. He can easily walk away from any toxic, stressful work environment. His quiet, modest lifestyle was his ultimate shield against sudden crisis. For him, silent money has quietly delivered the ultimate luxury of freedom. The heavy announcement of corporate layoffs sends immediate panic through the office. Leo grips his desk tightly as his heart races with sudden anxiety. Nearby, Alex continues typing on his laptop with absolute calm serenity. His secret weapon is a robust, hidden 3-year financial runway, but Leo has absolutely no margin due to high lifestyle lock-in. He realizes his massive monthly lease on Leo's car is a dark trap. His massive monthly mortgage payment demands that he keeps this stressful job. At 5 o'clock, Alex drives home in Alex's car with total peace. He sits with Sophia in their kitchen, sharing a simple, warm meal. They realize their automated savings make his corporate employment entirely optional. Meanwhile, Leo stays late in the empty office working frantic overtime. He desperately tries to prove his value to survive the upcoming restructuring. The system demon stands closely behind him, casting long, heavy shadow chains. The next morning, Mr. Harvey calls a closed-door emergency department meeting. He slowly announces the first painful wave of immediate office layoffs. Leo closes his eyes tightly, holding his breath in sheer terror. But Alex sits with loose shoulders, displaying a rare, calm stability. Mr. Harvey begins reading the official list of affected corporate employees. 3 senior managers are dismissed immediately, packing their personal office belongings. This proves that high corporate status offers absolutely zero job security. Later that afternoon, Chloe arrives at the glass office entrance lobby. She invites Leo to an incredibly expensive rooftop restaurant to celebrate. He cannot bear to admit his deep fear of sudden ruin. Alex walks past, politely declining their invitations with a pleasant smile. He prefers going home to enjoy a quiet, free evening of freedom. At the rooftop venue, Leo sits in constant, painful tension. Chloe orders premium champagne, completely unaware of his mounting financial stress. The astronomical food prices make his hand shake as he orders. He is running endlessly on an exhausting, high-speed corporate lifestyle treadmill. Every salary he ever earned was immediately spent on status. Meanwhile, Alex enjoys a peaceful walk in a beautiful public park. He walks slowly beside Sophia, laughing at a simple, funny joke. They spent absolutely $0 tonight to experience genuine, deep happiness. Back at the rooftop, the massive dinner bill finally arrives. Leo hands over his flashy gold credit card with absolute dread. His hidden, crushing mountain of high-interest credit card debt grows larger. In the dark shadows, the system demon smiles with glowing eyes. He drives Chloe home in Leo's car, pretending everything is completely fine. Chloe praises his high-status lifestyle, reinforcing his dangerous, costly illusion. But his expensive financial performance is about to shatter completely tomorrow. The next morning, the office lobby is quiet and unusually still. Leo arrives with dark bags under his eyes, looking completely exhausted. Alex arrives looking fresh, wearing his clean, unbranded cashmere sweater. Mr. Harvey calls both men into his private wood-paneled office. He looks at them with a deeply serious, regretful facial expression. He reveals that the firm must immediately eliminate one of their positions. Leo feels his heart stop beating as cold sweat drips slowly. But Alex remains perfectly still, experiencing absolute, total mental peace. Mr. Harvey explains that a major, unexpected career offer awaits one. But this life-changing corporate choice comes with a shocking, secret catch. Mr. Harvey sits behind his large mahogany desk, looking deeply serious. He offers a single, highly competitive executive promotion in a new market. This role doubles their income, but demands an expensive public lifestyle. Leo leans forward, his eyes shining with greedy and ambitious excitement. The position requires constant high-status entertaining and driving a brand-new Leo's car. Alex sits quietly, observing the golden folder without saying a word. Mr. Harvey explains that looking the part is a strict company mandate. It is a high-pressure trap disguised as a glorious executive promotion. He asks who wants to claim this prestigious but exhausting status path. Leo instantly raises his hand, desperate to fund his massive debt. His heavy mortgage on his mansion leaves him with 0 options. He must accept the golden handcuffs to maintain his public status. Meanwhile, Alex politely declines the offer with a soft, peaceful smile. Mr. Harvey looks up, surprised by this rare display of quiet confidence. Alex explains that his long-term goal is absolute financial freedom. He does not need a flashy title to achieve complete financial security. His growing net worth provides all his personal validation he needs. Because his money works on autopilot, he can comfortably say no. Leo feverishly signs the corporate contract, his hand trembling with stress. The system demon stands closely behind him, clutching his tight metal collar. A week later, Leo packs his bags for his grueling new assignment. He looks older, exhausted by the mounting pressure of his expensive lifestyle. He climbs into Leo's car, driving toward a life of constant professional performance. Meanwhile, Alex quietly places a clean resignation letter on his desk. He packages his few belongings into a simple brown box. As Mr. Harvey shakes his hand, smiling with deep respect and understanding. Alex walks out of the glass skyscraper, a free man at last. he drives back to his modest home where Sophia waits happily. In a distant city, Leo attends a loud, expensive networking dinner. Chloe laughs as she orders another bottle of highly expensive champagne. Leo smiles for the camera, but his eyes reflect silent panic. He realizes his high income only funds an elaborate, exhausting illusion. He is completely trapped on the fast-spinning corporate lifestyle treadmill forever. On a warm Tuesday morning, Alex drinks coffee on his patio. He has bought the ultimate luxury, absolute control over his time. No boss can dictate his day or threaten his financial security. Sophia sits beside him, laughing as they plan their next adventure. Their wealth is entirely invisible to the loud, flashy public world, but their freedom is completely real, paid for by saying no. So when you walk past a quiet person, watch for hidden wealth. Do not judge a person's life by their loud expenditures or clothes. The loudest spenders are often drowning behind their flashy, rented status. The quietest people are often the ones who actually own their lives. Real wealth is built slowly, one automated paycheck contribution at a time. It is not about how much you make, but what you keep. Let compound interest grow silently in the background of your life. Protect your financial runway by resisting the endless temptation of lifestyle creep. Stop performing success for strangers and start building your own freedom. Because looking broke in public is the ultimate way to get rich. If this story inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe, and let's build the future wisely.